Hello, Inkserv team. This tutorial is to show you how to access your orders when clients make orders on the website for translation services. So I'm going to demo from the beginning, from a client making an order, and then I'll show you how you can see your list of orders. So firstly, I'm going to go onto the Ink Minutes website in incognito mode. Right, so they come here, get a free code. And let's just put in some dummy data here, transcription services. Let's say 4 days. And the audio length, let's say 10 minutes. As you can see, the total cost is dynamic. And then say add to cart. And since it's now added to cart, they can see the total costs and the required deposit of 125, which is 50%. I'm going to put my information here. And put an alias address so that you guys don't knock at my door. I'm just going to put a dummy address here. Okay. And the dummy phone number. But I'm going to put my real email address. Or maybe let me put this email address. Okay. And then I'm going to place order. Let's place the order. And I'm going to be redirected to make payment in PayFast. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to make the payment. But the transaction, the order will reflect in the app. It's going to show in the website. So let me show you what your website dashboard looks like. Even though I'm not making payment, I'm not making the payment, but the order has reflected into your WordPress dashboard, just like someone who has made payment. So let me show you what that's going to look like. Okay, so to view your orders, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard, using the login details that we gave you. And you come under here where it says WooCommerce, which is the e-commerce application we're using, and come under orders. So when you click orders, it will show you a list of all the orders that you have received. So you can see that the recent order from 2 minutes ago is there, and it actually shows you the payment, the status, which says pending payment, because remember I didn't complete the payment. So when you click on the name, Lareth Jimu, it shows you the more details of your order, like the date, the time, and what I ordered exactly. Transcription services of 4 days, turnaround time and 10 minutes, and the total costs, which of course is 50%. Remember, since we put the 50% deposit, so the total cost is 50% of the deposit, of the total cost, sorry, which is 125. And it also shows you more data here, like, is it tax exempt? These are your tax settings. So if you want to edit these tax settings, you can let us know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very simple to use. You can see your orders here. You can see a list of your customers if you click here. And of course, you will receive this notification on your email as well when the order is made, so that you can immediately attend to it. So yeah, that's how you see your order.